This video is all about this microphone from Fifine. It's the USB Ampligame A8 microphone. So if you're looking for a video that's going to show you what it's like to have it, you're in the right place, so stick around. Hi guys, welcome back to Lee's Tech Room, and yesterday's video is all about this little microphone I've got here. It's from Fifine, like I said just now. It's the Ampligame A8 and it's got light up LEDs on it. What more do you need? Well, actually you need to be able to use it and it's going to be able to sound good. So it actually does sound good. I've actually been using it on my channel for the last few videos anyway, so if you have been watching my videos and you've been watching the last few of them, then you know what it sounds like. So it sounds all right. At the moment, I'm using the microphone that's built in on my camera, which is my mobile phone, so it isn't great. But in a minute, we'll go on to using this one for the rest of the video. I'll tell you when I'm using it, and then you know exactly what it sounds like on this video. So at the moment, I'm just going to talk about what it's like. So obviously, it's got a metal base with a rubber on the bottom there, which is obviously brilliant because so it doesn't move around when you got it on the desk. It's got elastic bands in the middle there, so you can see it moves around quite a lot, so it doesn't clang against anything. That's brilliant for sound, so it's not going to make any noise. It does hit that, but I mean, how much are you actually going to be moving it? This is the pop filter, which is great. It's built in, so there's not going to be any problem with that. All this lights up, which I'll show you in a second. And on the bottom, you've got the USB-C, which is brilliant, and there's the microphone jack there as well. On the back is the volume control, which I'm not too keen on it being at the back. It's a little bit awkward to get to. I suppose it's so you don't knock it, you don't change the volume accidentally, but it's a little bit awkward to get to. I guess that's the idea. So once you got it in the volume that you set it to, you're probably not going to change it. So it's always going to be sat on your desk or wherever you're going to have it sat, and it will just sit there. So you probably won't change it at all. I change it quite a lot because I'm always moving it around. That's probably why I've noticed it more. So you got the you've got a valve on here. That twists open. You're doing it the right way, and so it can move quite a lot. So, but it doesn't. It's sort of you do it up, but then it goes up in stages. Let's see if I can show you. See what I mean? It doesn't. It has its own set up positions, so it doesn't never sit straight. Do you see? Which is all right because when it's sat on the table, when it's sat on your desk, you want it slightly up, slightly pointing up because you're going to be talking at it. So this is where it's going to be taking it from. It doesn't catch the sound. Well, it does catch sound from behind it, but not as much as it's front facing. So the sound comes from the front. So you tighten up like that, that's nice, and this is like a hard metal around here as well, and this is the metal pop filter. So that's pretty much it. I think there's nothing else. Oh, there's a mute button on top, little mute button on top, which you just lightly press it. It's just really light press. So what I'll do now is I'll do a little video so you can see what's going on with this microphone. Put some music on, you have a little look at the video. And then we'll go on to what it sounds like when you're talking with the microphone. See you in a second. Okay, so as you can see, I'm using the microphone now. It's right in front of me. It's the normal amount of distance from like you would have it on a desk, perhaps. So it's what's it, about 12 inches away from my face, and it's about half volume. In fact, it's on exactly half volume. So this is what you're probably going to be using it for if you're using it on a desk situation environment, if you will. So let's go straight into, I just wanted to show you know what it's going to be sounding like. So this is pretty much what it is. So I wanted to tell you what was in the box. I probably should have done that at the start of the video, but here we are doing it at the end. So what we got there, we've got the instructions here. There's quite a lot of information in there. Basically, it just tells you how to use it and what you need to do. So worthwhile having a read through there when you get it. What else do you get? And there's, to show you that there's nothing else in there. It's just the really good packaging. It's not going to get bust when it's in transit. So it's a peace of mind for you there. Got your little box here, and then it comes with a. So you've got USB to USB-C. It's quite a long cable. It tells you in here, I think, how long it is. 2 meters. So it's pretty good long cable. So if you can wrap it around your desk environment and whatnot. It also comes with a pivot adapter, or, you know, just go onto a tripod or whatever. So that's quite cool. So you just take it off this completely and put it straight onto the onto that one. So that's cool. So that's it. That's all you get in the box. Well, pretty much that's all you need, really, isn't it? And just making lots of noise so you can hear. Okay, so that's it. That's the microphone. What do you think of it? Have you got one? Do you want to get one? Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think about it? Don't forget to like the video if you haven't done so already, and subscribe to my channel, but don't forget to ring that bell so you don't miss out on any future content. Okay, so that's it from me. I've been Lee's Tech Room. See you later. Bye now.